Hey guys, this is Dalton back here for another episode on 602 Outdoors, and today we're going to show you how to change the headlights and the tail lights on my '07 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Classic. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is pull this L wrench bolt up here on the top left, just like that. Put that where it's not going to get lost. Pull out this headlight right here. You got two connections. Turn them counterclockwise to get them out of there. There's one, and there's two. I do have HID ballast in here already, so we're going to put that there. And for this one, and pull that out a little tight. You got three connections right here. One, two, and the third was right here on the, so I'll show you. There's two connections there, and then three connections there. We're gonna go to a smoked black look. See the difference there? So let's get started. I'm going to put the bottom one in first. So I'm going to put your bulb in right here. Going to put your running light right there. I changed my running lights to LEDs also. I'll show you a demonstration at the end. Click this into place here, just like that. This one, you're just going to plug in the two connections right there. Just like that. Put your L bolt back right where you got it from. Just like that. Let's do the other side. I'm going to repeat the same exact process. There we go. Now, the reason I'm changing these headlights is because I want to go with the black and white theme as I have on my truck. This is the first video in this series of my truck, but there will be more videos to come. So let's flip the truck around and do the tail lights. By the way, these are Spyder headlights. I got them off carid.com for $120, I think, $130. change the tail lights, you just got a Phillips head screw on the top and on the bottom, on the top and on the bottom. So let's do that. Got the impact to make it a little bit quicker. I just got 4 connections right here. Change the reverse lights to LEDs as well. And the new tail lights are Spyders. They're black LEDs. The reverse light goes in on the bottom on these ones. So your 4th hole towards the bottom. Twist it. Now I'm going to plug the middle one. Just like that. Tuck in the wires, twist it, plug in just that LED wire to the inside the harness, tuck in the wire, turn it, same thing on the other side. Let's give you a function test. They also got side markers on the sides for the left and the right, but I'll turn on my truck, show you the reverse lights, and show you the tail lights themselves. Alright guys, so now that you saw me change the tail lights and the headlights on my truck, that wraps up this episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do, and we'll catch you on the next episode.